Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious sweet and spicy sushi burrito. Let's start by cooking up some sushi rice. Add 1 cup of rinsed sushi rice and 2 cups of water to your rice cooker. While this cooks, you can prep your fillings. For my burrito, I used Panko breadcrumbs, avocado, cucumber, mayonnaise, hoisin sauce, sriracha, garlic salt, nori, and salmon. Slice 1/3 of a cucumber into thin pieces. Slice a fillet of sushi-grade salmon into thin pieces. You can't eat any type of raw salmon, so make sure that the salmon you buy says sushi grade on the package. You can also use smoked salmon if you prefer. Slice an avocado into quarters. Peel off the skin and slice your avocado into thin pieces. In a small bowl, we're going to make some Sriracha Mayo. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, and some freshly cracked pepper. Give it a good mix. Heat a tablespoon of sesame oil in a pan and add 1/4 cup of Panko breadcrumbs. You're going to toast your breadcrumbs until they're a bit golden. This will add a nice crunch to your sushi burrito. Once your rice is done cooking, fluff it up a bit. Place 1 sheet of nori onto a rolling mat. Cover the sheet in rice. Spread some Sriracha Mayo in the middle of your rice. Add your toasted Panko breadcrumbs on top of your Sriracha Mayo. Add your cucumber, salmon, and avocado. You can add any ingredients you'd like to the middle of your burrito, but these are just some of my favorites. Just imagine your favorite type of sushi and add those ingredients to your burrito. Drizzle some hoisin sauce on top. If your burrito is much too large to roll up with only 1 sheet of nori, Place another sheet of nori underneath and add a bit more rice to the new sheet. Then try rolling it up without making a mess like I did. And now you have a delicious sushi burrito. This sushi burrito was so delicious. I hope you try and make one too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.